Okay, this is the model we are going to create using the SolidWorks software. All the dimensions are given in millimeters. Okay, file, new, part drawing. Select the top plane, make it normal. The 3276 center rectangle, choose center rectangle. The dimensions 3276. In a 14 dimension, there's a line. Select the corner rectangle. Then this dimension is equal to 14. Then this dimension is equal to 21. Okay. Then this dimension 14 32 minus 14 divided by 2. Okay. Then now we can extrude. We have the fully defined sketch. Yeah. The feature extrude. Then I'm going to select these contours. Contours the first up to 42 millimeter. Then again choose extrude, then select the sketch one. Then select the next contour, that dimensions equal 12. Here now we have this model. Then I'm going to insert this feature as the rib. Okay, then for that one I'm going to select the front plane, then make it normal to the view, then sketch on the front region. So starting with this rib is starting from this point and the end point. The dimension 8. Then go to feature, the rib. Make sure this arrow is in downward direction. Then this rib, select both side and the thickness the 10 millimeter. Sorry, 12 millimeter. Okay, this is how we are creating this model using the SolidWorks software.